Today, we will learn 100 daily routine sentences in English. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and use them in your everyday life. Morning routine. 1. I wake up at 7 a.m. 2. I brush my teeth. 3. I wash my face. 4. I take a shower. 5. I get dressed. 6. I comb my hair. 7. I make my bed. 8. I eat breakfast. 9. I drink a glass of water. 10. I leave for work. Work school routine. 11. I go to work by bus. 12. I arrive on time. 13. I check my emails. 14. I attend meetings. 15. I talk to my colleagues. 16. I write notes. 17. I study my lessons. 18. I use my computer. 19. I take a short break. 20. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. Afternoon routine. 21. I finish my work. 22. I return home. 23. I rest for a while. 24. I drink tea. 25. I watch TV. 26. I read a book. 27. I play games. 28. I talk to my family. 29. I go shopping. 30. I clean my room. Evening routine. 31. I cook dinner. 32. I eat dinner with my family. 33. I wash the dishes. 34. I do my homework. 35. I call my friends. 36. I listen to music. 37. I go for a walk. 38. I exercise for 20 minutes. 39. I water the plants. 40. I check my phone. Night routine. 41. I take a bath. 42. I brush my teeth again. 43. I wear my pajamas. 44. I read before bed. 45. I set my alarm. 46. I pray before sleeping. 47. I drink a glass of milk. 48. I check tomorrow's plan. 49. I close the window. 50. I go to sleep at 11 p.m. Extra sentences. 51. I wake up early. 52. I go jogging. 53. I pack my bag. 54. I drive to school. 55. I work hard. 56. I write in my diary. 57. I send a message. 58. I reply to emails. 59. I wait for the bus. 60. I buy groceries. 61. I wash my clothes. 62. I iron my shirt. 63. I fold the laundry. 64. I cook rice. 65. I cut vegetables. 66. I sweep the floor. 67. I mop the floor. 68. I throw the garbage. 69. I clean the table. 70. I open the window. 71. I watch the news. 72. I learn English. 73. I practice speaking. 74. I write new words. 75. I memorize sentences. 76. I repeat after the teacher. 77. I record my voice. 78. I correct my mistakes. 79. I read aloud. 80. I listen to English audio. 81. I drink coffee. 82. I eat snacks. 83. I go outside. 84. I walk in the park. 85. I feed the dog. 86. I play with my cat. 87. I visit a friend. 88. I ride my bicycle. 89. I take photos. 90. I check social media. 91. I write homework. 92. I draw pictures. 93. I do yoga. 94. I relax on the sofa. 95. I plan my next day. 96. I read the newspaper. 97. I close the door. 98. I switch off the lights. 99. I sleep peacefully. 100. I wake up again the next morning. Great job! You just practiced 100 daily routine sentences in English. Repeat them every day, and soon you will speak English more fluently and naturally.